It's a stork. Are you gonna feed him?
I gave him one teensy little piece, but he's been nagging us for a while.
You know, he might bring you a baby.
That's okay.
It's a stork. Storks bring children.
They do. Grandchildren would be nice.
Well, he's looking at you. I don't.
He's eyeing me.
And there's the. They're not. He's like, I want food.
Well, when we first got here, he almost had his feet against the window looking inside. Like, let me in.
He's, he wants. Believe it or not, this is the closest I've been to a stork. I mean, I've seen them, but they never really allow me to get this close. And I could see what an amazing animal he is now.
Beautiful.
Where's he going? Oh, look. Where are you going? Oh, he saw maybe a possible food. Okay, he's coming over.
Yeah.
Well, this guy has no fear. I love that.
He's absolutely gorgeous. Just perfect.
I wonder what he's thinking right now. He's like,
Thinking these people are selfish. These people won't feed.
I think he wants Russian pastry.
Yeah.
We're at a Russian bakery here, guys. Great food. And here he's coming around. He's coming around. Let's see. Here he comes. It's a stork. He's gonna bring a baby to your house.
Hello.
Not in my house.
He don't. He does not discriminate. He's gonna.
Hello.
I think he thinks he's a human. You could still have babies. He's a stork. He's gonna bring you a baby.
Baby.
Yeah, that's
Not babies.
a stork. Okay. You got a. There's a baby right there. Looking at the stork. Okay, he's walking over here now. Let's follow him. He wants to go inside. You gonna let him in?
No.
Hi, lady. Well, I've seen herons do this, but never a stork. And I'm glad I stopped at the bakery. He's making the rounds. there you have it, folks. We do not discriminate against storks. And underneath he has black feathers, so he's bi-storkian. And now he's waiting for a handout over here. Okay, bye guys.